Hello students, in the last video we discussed the basic terms of springs and today discuss the end connection of helical spring. In case of compression helical spring, there are four types of end connection. First one is plain ends, second is ground ends, third one is squared end, and last fourth one is squared and ground end. There are main difference of end connection like this. In plain end, the coil cut at the parallel of in last active coil, and ground end, the end coil are cut in this way, and square end, the end connection are give in spring coil like this, and square end ground ends generally use one coil for inactive coil, and it is parallel to the working plane. The main applications of end connection in the different application like this for suspension system, other suspension system, these four types of end connection are generally used. For tension helical spring, there are two types of end connection. First one is hooks types, and second one is loop types. In hook types, half active coil are used for end connection like this. This is the hook types of end connection for tension helical spring. And in loop types, this is the loop types of end connection for tension helical spring. In hook types, only half coil are used for end connection. This is inactive coil because in this coil no deflection occur. In loop types, there are two coils are used for end connection, and this is inactive coil, this is inactive coil, and this is active coil. So these are generally used different applications like automotive parts and other applications. Thank you.